Hi YouTube friends, I want to report a praise report, right? My daughter informed me last night that the ceiling fan fell on her. It actually fell out of the ceiling onto the bed, but fortunately it bounced off. It did not touch her and it went to the floor. Now this is a nice ceiling fan. I don't know what would have made it fall, except for maybe the vibrations loosened the screws. Anyway, so I'm so thankful for that she's okay. Check your ceiling fans, make sure they're strong. We don't want any accidents this summer. So hot, you need that circulating air. Listen, love ya. Have a good day.